Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? When a given industry, water and electricity are two well-known examples, carries high infrastructural startup costs and other barriers that discourage competition, blank of just one or two suppliers per municipality, such industries are known as natural monopolies. So in the text, it gives us this one sentence, and there's this introductory phrase where it describes how there's an industry with high infrastructure startup costs, and that these have other barriers that discourage competition. Then it has this blank here, which describes that industry through a subject and antecedent, and we're supposed to fill in this blank with one of these phrases. So let's look at answer choice A. These often consist. This is incorrect because the subject of this sentence is industry. This is singular, but these often consist is a plural phrase that refers to a plural subject, which does not match this given sentence. Therefore, A would be incorrect. Furthermore, we could test this by reading just this first part alongside this phrase in this blank. So it would be when a given industry carries high infrastructure, these often consist of just one or two suppliers per municipality. So this doesn't sound quite right because the plural antecedent, these, doesn't match the singular subject, industry. So we can eliminate answer choice A. B. They often consist. This is incorrect for the same reason as A, because they refers to a plural subject, but in this given sentence, it is a singular subject, so B would also be incorrect. C. It often consists. This seems to be the correct answer because it is a singular antecedent, and this would match the singular subject in the sentence, and this would furthermore make sense if we were to plug this into the sentence and read it. So it would say when a given industry carries high infrastructure, it often consists of just one or two suppliers per municipality. So this sounds right, therefore C seems to be the correct answer. D. This often consists. This is incorrect because this in this sentence would be ambiguous and wouldn't make sense given the rest of the context. Furthermore, it isn't quite singular as the phrase it often consists is. Therefore, we can eliminate D, and with that we're left with C as the correct answer.